Discussing about the demand schedule. So basically there is a two type of demand schedule is there. One is individual demand schedule, and second one is the market demand schedule. Now what is the meaning of individual demand schedule and the market demand schedule? See the schedule I plotted. So first one is, this is the individual demand schedule. So individual demand schedule means I want to analyze the demand of an individual. Here say that X is an individual, and X, when the price of commodity 5, then X is purchasing 1 kg of commodities. When price is falling down from 5 to 4 per kg of commodities, then the demand increasing from 1 to 2 kg. So we know that when the price fall down, then demand increase, and when price increase, then demand decrease. This is the law of the demand. So here the price is falling from 5 to 4 kgs, then demand is increasing from 1 to 2 kg. And in case of market demand, we are analyzing the demand of the particular market. How we can analyze the market demand schedule? Say when the price is 5 and then X is purchasing 1 kg of commodities. When price is falling from 5 to 4 kg per kg, then the price is decreasing from, demand is increasing from 1 to 2 kg. Similarly, in case of Y, when the price is 5 per kg of commodities, Y purchasing 2 kg. When is price falling down from 5 to 4 per kg of commodities, then the demand increasing from from 2 kg to 3 kg. Now how I can analyze the market demand? So if you add X's demand and Y's demand, then automatically we can get the market demand. So 1 kg plus 2 kg is equal to 3 kg. Similarly, 5 kg means the 2 kg plus 3 kg, and here also 1 kg plus 2 kg. So this is the market demand schedule. Now see how from individual demand schedule I can draw the individual demand curve, and from the market demand schedule how I can draw the market demand curve. Now at first you see the individual demand curve. Here I am plotting, and here I am plotting the market demand. So here X dash is the individual demand curve X axis, and Y dash is the Y axis. X dash we denote the demand of commodities in kg, and Y dash denotes the price of commodities in rupees. Now from the earlier data you see, when in the individual demand schedule, when the price was 5, the quantity demand was 1. So the coordinate point is 5, 1, not 5, 1, this is 1, 5, because we know how you can plot the demand curve in the two dimension curve. At first you go the horizontal axis, then you move to the vertical axis. So 1 is the 1 kg of commodities, and 5 is the pricing. So that is the coordinate point is 1, 5, and the next point is 2, 4. Now if I put this coordinate point in a two dimension curve, so individual demand curve arises. So now 1, 5 and 2, 4. So now you see I am plotting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly in the vertical axis, horizontal axis you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now 1, 5. So 1, 5. 1,5. And next is 2,4. 2, this is the 2, if I add these 2 points, then automatically we can get the individual demand curve. This point and this point. So this is called individual demand curve and denoted as suppose D. So clear on this part? Now here I am plotting the market demand curve. It's the same way, X, O, X dash. X, O, X dash is the X axis, Y, O, Y dash is the Y axis. So here denoted as price in rupees and here quantity demanded in kg. Okay. Now according to the demand schedule, when the price was rupees 5 per kg, then the quantity demand was 3. So the coordinate point is 3,5 and the next coordinate point is 5,4 according to the market demand schedule. Now if I plot these two coordinate point in the 2-dimension curve, so automatically you can get the market demand curve. Now in the same way, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Now I am putting the point 3,5. This is the 3,5 point and is 5,4. This is the 5,4. And if I add these 2 points, then automatically we can get the market demand curve. So this is called market demand. So clear on this part? So see, the market demand curve is arising from the individual demand curve. So X's demand plus Y's demand, if you add together with, then automatically you can get the market demand curve. So question may arise, how you can draw the market demand curve from the individual demand curve. So how you can draw the curve? At first you draw the individual demand curve and then automatically X's demand and Y's demand, if you plot together in a 2-dimension curve, then automatically you can get the market demand curve. Clear on this? Okay, thanks.